Good day, guys. Good day, guys. Let's talk about the DXY. The DXY is the dollar index, guys. So this dollar index, guys, determines the markets on how all the US dollar pairs will move. So if you want to get accuracy, just look at the trend of the DYX. What you can do, you can just have a moving average of 200, just simple one, moving average of 200. Then just make it simple here, then 4 pixel there, then done. Then you just look at this moving average. So as you can see, this moving average from here, the market was above this moving average, which means the market was uptrend. Then as you can see again here, the market was uptrend. The market was uptrend. So the market passed above this line. So this is our database line. This line determines what is happening in the market in the recent time. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go straight to any pair, which means if the dollar index is going up, which means the market has to sell. The market has to sell. So which means from here to here, you're gonna sell. From there to there, you're gonna sell. Then from there, the market pushed up. So that's how you're gonna use the strategy. From in the morning, you're gonna sell. Let's see the behavior here. As you can see, from there to there, you sell up until that level. So in the morning, you can see we started from in the morning. So guys, anyway, we have an amazing investment plan for everyone. If you are in our group, guys, if you are on Facebook, WhatsApp me on the number that you see there on my bio, so that, or on this video, WhatsApp me to join our investments. So this investments depends on how much you want to start with. We will calculate on how many days that money can be made, but our maximum is 5 days, but you can have 4 days to 3 days investment plan. So if you want to join our investment plan, guys, make sure that you WhatsApp me on the number that you see on the screen right away, so that you are part of my investment plan. So this is a friendly assistant to all of you guys, so that you keep on making money. And again, for people who knows nothing about trading, you know, there are some people who don't know anything about trading, who've been blowing account for the longest time. You can learn while investing with us. So guys, if you're highly interested in this amazing opportunity, make sure that you WhatsApp me on the number that you see on the screen, so that you can be part of the winning team. Danko.